opportunity to present our project today. Our project is titled Sign Learn Interactive Sign Language Learning using Computer Vision. Before we start presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabil Masafira as a team leader, and I'm accompanied by my teammate Arabella Fania Ginting, and our project project manager is Ms. Miratul Lusnamufina. Without further ado, let's begin our presentation by explaining the background of our project. So for the project background, Sign Learn was developed to address the limited understanding of Isindo and CV, which creates communication barrier for deaf individuals. Existing learning media are mostly static and lack interactive feedback. By utilizing computer vision and CNN, Sign Learn provides an interactive learning experience with real-time gesture recognition and feedback. So for the problem statement will be explained by Anna.
Okay, the slide. I'm gonna present the problem statement of our project. First, many deaf students have a limited access to sign language learning, and most of learning methods are not easily accessible anytime and anywhere. For example, a student can only learn when a teacher is available, but when the teacher at home, they don't have enough resources to continue the learning. And what if they live far away from the city, or they don't have enough money to study with home learning? And next is lack of interactive practice tool. There's no interactive practice. For instance, when the student practice using books or video, they only watch and imitate. They don't know if their hand movements are correct because there's no feedback. And the third is fine motor skills are not well trained. In daily practice, students may repeat the same hand movement many times. However, if the movements are slightly incorrect, they will keep repeating the same mistake. So, those are the three core problems we wanted to solve. And the solution will be explained by Maya.
As a solution, Sign Learn is an interactive sign language learning system that offers Isindo and CV learning models, real-time hand gesture recognition, interactive voice, and progress tracking. Using a CNN-based model, the system provides instant feedback to help users improve their signing accuracy anytime and anywhere. So, for the key features, will be explained by Anna.
Alright, so now let's talk about what our app actually does, the key features. First, we have hand gesture recognition. The app can detect your hand gesture in real time with less than 100 milliseconds of latency. So basically, it sees what your hands are doing almost instantly. And second, we have a dual sign language module. Our app supports two generation sign language, Isindo and CV. You can learn both, and the app can even visualize the gesture for you, so you know exactly what they should look like. And the third is there is an interactive quiz. After you study, you can test yourself, and the cool part is you will get the instant feedback right away, so you know immediately if you got it right or wrong. And finally, you have a learning history. The app tracks your progress over time, so you can always look back and see how far you have come. And the next, I will explain the AI architecture. The AI architecture begins with the data collection and normalization of the gesture input. And next, the data will be used in the model training phase using CNN algorithm to recognize hand gesture pattern. After that, the model is optimized to make it more efficient and suitable for deployment on user device. And finally, the model is deployed into the application to perform model-like inference and provide feedback to user. With the architecture, Sign Learn is able to help users improve their sign language skill in a more interactive and effective way. The next slide will be explained by Maya.
For the performance, the system uses a neural network with 21 hand landmark as input. It applies confidence threshold of 70% and 15% and uses a 5-frame floating mechanism to improve prediction stability. The application also includes AI practice, learning history, and progress tracking features. So, next for the testing, Sign Learn was evaluated through functional performance, API, and usability testing. The results show the all features work correctly. The system remains stable under concurrent requests, and the API integrates successfully with the AI model, and the application achieved an excellent SUS rating. So, for the next is project achievement. will be explained by Ara.
On this slide, I'm going to present our project assessment. The first one is AI model assessment. Starting with our first assessment, the AI model. Sunlearn use a convolutional neural network integrate with media pipe hand to detect hand gesture in real time. And the model type 21 hand landmark points, each with 3 coordinates as well, and giving the model total of 63 data points per frame to analyze. And next is user experience. Moving to our second assessment, user experience, we designed Sunlearn with structure and intuitive learning flow. Users start by studying the module, then test their knowledge through the quiz, and finally practice using the AI camera. This 3-step flow is study, quiz, then practice. And the third is learning coverage assessment. Sunlearn covers both Visindo and CB, making it first platform to integrate both sign language system in a single application. Together, the two systems cover all 26 letters of the alphabet each, and resulting the 52 letters in total. And the content is structured across the difficulty level from the beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and allowing users to learn progressively from the easiest gesture to the more complex ones. And the last is feature complete. Our feature assignment is feature completion. We are proud to say that all 8 planned features of Sunlearn were successful implemented. There include a real-time AI gesture recognition, an interactive quiz system, a complete learning history and progress chart, a personal user profile with language-specific statistics, and a secure admin panel that allow administrators to manage quiz content directly without touching the code. And every feature was tested and verified to be fully functional. And the conclusion will be explained by Maya.
Thank you, Ara. So for the conclusion, Sunlearn successfully combined computer vision and CNN to provide an interactive sign language learning platform with real-time feedback. The testing results demonstrate that the system is functional, stable, and user-friendly, making it a promising solution for inclusive sign language education. Thank you for the opportunity to present